Well, hi, Leon.
Hi, how are you, Amy?
Good, good. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the Community Foundation of Greater Rochester today as a board member.
Love it, love it.
Good. Well, I just want to talk about how does working with the Community Foundation help tax-wise, help folks that are making
Kind of like a donor advised fund on steroids. It allows me to make a contribution to the foundation, get a tax deduction, then use it later. So I can do it directionally. I can make it community based. So it gives me act locally, think globally. So it's really cool.
I love that. So can you describe maybe 3 tax advantages that someone could take advantage of and what's beneficial to an individual?
Stock market's through the roof. Stock market's absolutely through the roof. Give it appreciated property. So that's an easy one. You got a stock that's way up, give it to the charitable, give it to our foundation. We'll cash it in, we'll use it for your charitable purpose. You won't pay capital gains and you get a write-off. Number 2, you've got a qualified charitable distribution from your IRA. Donate the money from your IRA, it saves you Michigan taxes and federal taxes, and you don't have to take your RMD because your IRA is so big, and now that also works. And then now the cash limitations have lifted too, so if you want to make a nice cash donation, we do accept that, coins, currency, or checks. So all of those work.
Okay, great. And then what are the benefits and how do funders utilize those benefits?
Well, the big benefit is if you donate appreciated property, no capital gain tax, and an ordinary income tax deduction, double whammy. And charitable gift. So that's a big one. In terms of using a qualified charitable distribution from an IRA, you're saving it off the top of your income tax. So this is a big one. And you know, lots of things are going to probably change in income taxes. There's tax proposals afoot. There's going to be higher taxes, other things. This is a great year to make some good charitable planning.
So do I have to be rich to be a donor? That seems to be the common.
Actually, the most important part is that we all can act together. I mean, backpacks with a blessing, something I've always done. For the price of $100, you can give a kid food. I mean, what a great thing to do. So absolutely not. And there's a $300 above the line charitable donation you can make as well. It doesn't affect itemized deductions. So don't let the tax tail wag your intentional dog. Let your intentions dictate what you want to do.
And end result, you get the tax advantage, but really, the way you get back to the community.
It's the community, it's where we live. Why aren't we taking care of people where we live? That's the most important thing. So it's really easy for me to go give to a great big national charity. The Community Foundation lets me go all the way right down to the Paint Creek Trail, which I love.
Yeah, me too. So,
good.
Great. Well, I think that's it for us. So
Great to be with you.
Thanks.
Great talking to you.